I have the number line, so I know what one more is 6, and so I know one less is 4, and I have the dots, so I know to put 5 X's. And 3 plus 2 equals 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5.
How did you figure that out?
Because I was making sure that the circles were right.
So what does that tell you? How does that tell you you're right?
Because I was counting the X-rays, and then I made this one, and then I made the sentence. Then I made 3 plus 2 equals 5. 2 plus 2 and 1 equals 5.
How do you know it makes 5?
Because I looked up and I was winning.
Now your turn. 6. Oh, they're equal.
Your turn.
How can we figure it out?
There's 4 here and 1 here.
Okay, so let's try it again. 5 breaks apart into
Now it's my turn.
how many?
7.
Are there 7 in the circle?
5.
How many are in the first circle?
5.
You tell me what
Can you count them?
5.
4.
4. So let's try again. 5
5
breaks apart
breaks apart
into
4.
and
1.
so how many bears are there altogether?
You're unbelievable.
So you took away 50, all right?
Yeah.
And then what'd you do?
And then I landed at 201.
Mm-hmm.
And I subtract 1
Wait, why'd you subtract 1? Where'd you get the 1?
from 14.
You can do that? You can just take 1 like that?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, what else?
And I landed at 200. And I subtract at 13 the 10. And I stop at 109. And then I got 3 left, so I subtract 3. And I landed to the answer 187.
So when you got there to 200, why didn't you just take 13 away? That's what you had left. Why'd you do 10 and then 3?
Because I wanted to make it a nice number.
A what number?
A nice number.
A nicer number. Ivan, how'd you know how big of a jump to make here?
I just thought 100's a big number, so I should do a big jump.
Okay, and then, so these are different sizes?
Yeah, because 20's just 10 and 10. So I just did a little
Oh, okay, okay.
If I took away 60, I would need to know how to take away 60 from 256.
Oh, and so that would be,
Kind of tough, so
Yeah.
I did 50.
okay, so you chose 50 first?
And then that leading me to 206.
And you left the 10. That was. Why'd you leave the 10 for
I
last?
took away 4. I could get 192 easier by subtracting 4 to get 202 to get 190.
Okay, so you chose numbers that you thought were easier.
Yeah.
And then what'd you do down there? You see you crossing off stuff below. What was that about?
Oh, it was my think tank.
And what's a think tank?
A think tank is like first you put the number that you're taking away, like 256. You don't put this one in the think.
Okay.
So you get the little number and you put it in your think tank. And then if you subtract 50, you all have to get 14.
What operation did you do right here? Addition. Awesome. How many of you also did it that way, just like Papa? How many of you did it a different way? Jonathan, what way did you do it?
5 plus 5.
You added 5 plus 5?
Plus 7.
So 5 plus 5.
Plus 7.
What'd you get?
No, it was 5 plus 5 plus 7.
Oh, so you did 5 plus 5 plus 7? So you did these 3 together?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
Then I got 17.
You got 17. And then what did you do?
Then I wrote like 7 plus 3 made it 10. So that I wrote 20.
Okay, so you knew 7 plus 3 makes a 10. So 7 ones plus 3 ones makes a 10. So then your answer was 20. How many of you did it the way Jonathan did it? How many of you did it